Hooray for the Egyptian military. That's what we'll talk about today. Finally, there is somebody that takes the war on terror seriously and is moving to smash the Muslim Brotherhood domination of Egypt. Finally, there's somebody who is working with Israel to stop the Hamas terrorists in the Sinai. The Egyptian military should not be condemned by the United States, but we should continue to support them in every way that we can. They're doing our work for us. It's unfortunate that hundreds or even thousands have been killed, but the whole effort of the Muslim Brotherhood would be to extinguish all the Coptic Christians, as many of the Jews as they can get a hold of, and break the Camp David Accords with Israel. It is very necessary to be firm and aggressive and militarily active to take over Egypt. And the fact that the military is doing it with the support of a large segment of the population who overthrew the Morsi regime after in turn helped overthrow the Mubarak regime makes it all the better. In fact, just recently, the Egyptian military captured the brother of al-Zawahiri, who is the head of al-Qaeda, and we have been unable to do that. So I believe that it is hypocritical and ridiculous for Obama to be canceling maneuvers with the Egyptian military, or of Senator McCain to urge that we curtail foreign aid to the Egyptian army. We should be stepping that up. We should be helping them. We should be supporting them. These people are fighting our fight, and it may not be politically fashionable, but I say hooray for the Egyptian military. Thanks for watching.